Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Pixlr account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end back within the Pixlr page. Now, if you wish to change your password, click on your account name at the top section and you will now be taken into your profile page. Just click on the edit button alongside your password. And now you will first need to enter your current password in order to change it by verifying your identity. Just type in the current password that you are using to log into your account and then type in your desired new password within the new password box. Finally, click on the update password button and now you will be told that your password has successfully been updated. After this, if you log out, you will need to log back in by using your new password once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your existing password on your Pixlr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.